Hey, what's up guys, this is ABD from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video, and in this video I will show you how to activate eSIM on your iPhone. Apple has introduced eSIM on iPhone 11 models, XR models, and now you can use two numbers on a single iPhone. So to activate eSIM, you have to buy a plan from your carrier. You might need to install an app to activate the plan, or you can just do by the QR code. It totally depends on your carrier. If you are using a QR code to activate eSIM, go to the settings, then mobile data or cellular plan, tap on add data plan and use your iPhone camera to scan the QR code. After it detects the QR code, you will get like this screen. Then tap on add cellular plan and then you can label your numbers like primary or secondary according to you. So you can select the primary label over here. You can also choose personal, business or travel, or you can also create a custom label. Let's select personal over here, and on secondary label here let's select travel. Now tap on continue. Here you have to choose the default number, the number which you want to use to activate iMessage or to call others, and now tap on done. Now you can see over here on top right corner that you get two signal bars, and for more detail just swipe down to control center and you can see the signals with their names over here. If you want to make a call to the unknown number, you can tap over here and choose from which line you want to make a call. And even if you have assigned a preferred number to the person you are calling, you will use the number from your last communication with this person. To assign a preferred number, tap last used number under the contact's name, then select the number to always use. And same for the messages also. Your default number will be used automatically when you send a new message. To change this, tap on the green bar and choose the other line to send the message. You can also make changes in settings for each number at any time you want. So that's how you activate eSIM in your iPhone, and you can use two numbers in one iPhone. I hope it was helpful. So don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.